Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make some very easy bracelets, and you can wear these on your arm, or you can actually also wear them as ankle bracelets. So let's get started. To make these easy stretch bracelets, you can use this stretchy jewelry cord. And this is what it looks like, but it's rather fragile. So I would recommend using either 2 or even 3 strands at a time to get some good strength. Or you could use elastic, and you would buy this at the fabric store. And this is a thin elastic. You could use this type of elastic, again, available at the fabric store, and it's very stretchy, but a lot sturdier than this type. And you can get this stretch cord in various thicknesses. This one is quite thick. You'd need large beads with a large hole, and this is sort of a medium weight. So today I'm going to use this type, and I'm going to thread it into a darning needle like this. And then you'll measure your wrist, and for me, I think 7.5 would be approximately a good length. And I've got a plastic lid here. That's just one of these plastic lids from yogurt or ice cream or anything like that. And I've gone ahead and I've marked here on my lid how long I would need to have the beads. So that's how I'm going to arrange my beads, and I'm going to have this as a little focal area. 2 small beads on each side and 1 large bead in the middle. And now that I have all my beads there, I'm going to start threading them onto my elastic. Okay, I have all my beads threaded on. And now I'm going to take the 2 ends and I'm going to tie a knot. And I'm going to stretch it slightly. And then cut off the extra. And I'm going to pull the knot inside one of the beads. Like that, I pulled the knot inside. And now I'm just going to add a bit of glue. And I'll just make sure it's all inside there. Like that. And there's a finished bracelet. If you're going to use a cord that's not stretchy, then you'll have to measure so that whatever you use, you can slide it on over your hand. And that's how easy it is to make beaded stretch bracelets. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.